Headless in Roblox costs 31,000 Robux, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can get it for free without spending any money in the next 5 minutes. Now, you guys can follow me on Roblox and join my game too. Shout out to my subscribers. Okay, let's go. For the first headless trick, you will need to get an item from this game. Once you are here, follow me to the Spleef challenge. Don't forget that you have to win this in order to get the item. It's very easy. Watch me. And that's it. Now let's move on to make free headless avatar. Alright, go to heads and equip this head. You can get this in marketplace. Go to hairs and equip this orange beanie. It's available in marketplace for free. And equip this in head accessories. It's free. Now click here and go to accessory adjustment and select this. Copy my adjustments here.
You can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful.
Once it looks something like this, apply the adjustment. Now equip the mask that we just got and follow my adjustments. Once it looks something like this, you are 95% done. Now, for the last step, go to skin color and select the skin color of head to black. And there you go, you got headless for free. Before moving on, let me introduce you to my friend. He recently started developing on new version of Pet Simulator Reborn where everything is remade. Instead of pay to win, he wants to revive the old community. Every update, every pet will be made on community interests. It's in testing stage right now, but you can join his group and get access to tester rank and get exclusive items in-game on launch. The game will be launched on 1st June. Go check out the group. Link in description. For our next trick, join these two groups. Once done, join this game. Here, go to catalog and search for this. Hover over the first one and click on see items and equip only head. As you can see, you now have headless for free. Now open your chat and enter this command. Once you enter, you will see this. As you can see, you have headless now in Please Donate. Now this trick only works to Please Donate. There is another way we can do it too. Before I show you that, let me tell you another secret fact about this. You can equip any avatar below 10,000 Robux and join Please Donate. See, it's overpowered. I equipped another for free and let's see how much people rate it. Damn, nice. He gave me 200 out of 100 rating. Let me donate my lifetime savings. Holy shit, what the heck?
Run.
To equip Headless in all other games, you need to buy the bundle, but don't worry, you can earn Robux for free. I will give the video link in description. You can check that out. For our next trick, go to Head Accessories and equip this medieval hood. It's available for free in the marketplace. Now, go skin color and change the color of head to black. Now, go to Accessory Adjustment. Follow my small adjustments. You can skip it, but adjusting makes more like Headless. Apply the adjustments. Equip this green classic shirt and pant. And there you go, free headless. And that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down which video you want next. I will see you guys in the next video.